Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join the new event in Heartopia, which is called the Hot Air Balloon Ride event. Okay, let's get into it guys. First you're going to go to this area on the Whale Mountain. You'll see the hot air balloon icon, and then you're going to track it. And then you're going to talk to this NPC, the Gazing Boy. Okay, you're going to talk to him, and then you're going to select hot air balloon event. And then there will be two options, and you can choose one of them. The first one is the Flowerfield route, and the second one is the Town Sky Tour. You're going to start the event after the event is available. Well, let me show you the schedule. Hold on. Okay, available for the available start time. It's on Thursday, 5 p.m. until Friday, 12 a.m. So yeah, you're going to wait for it. And now I still need to wait for about 1 hour or 2 hours to start the event. But yeah, just like that, go to this location if you want to start the event. And during this event, you will have quest guys. The first one, you need to take a photo during the hot air balloon event. And oh yeah, I mean the first one is join a hot air balloon event in good weather. And the second one is taking a photo during the hot air balloon event. When the time is available, you're going to pass the first quest, and then you just need to take a photo to complete the quest. Okay guys, and that's how you can join the hot air balloon ride event in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!